guys, welcome back to Piscator UK, and if you're new to the channel, thanks very much for tuning in. Today I'm in the process of doing a quick modification to my Fish Finder connection, and I just thought I'd share that with you and the reasons why I'm actually doing the change for the connection. The power pack that I'm using is it's a Kayak Life. I've done a sort of full review on this and the reasons why I chose this power pack for my fish finder, so I'll put a link above and you'll be able to watch that after this video if that's what you want to do. But anyway, like I said, I'm doing a quick modification today. I thought I would share it with you and the reasons why I'm actually doing the mod. What I have at the moment is this is my power pack. It's the Kayak Life power pack. It's got multiple connections, and at the moment it's set up for my fish finder using a male-female cigarette connections, or cigarette lighter connections, and as you can see the power's on that. So at the moment, if my fuse was to go, which is in here in the male side of the cigarette connection, it would mean I would need a screwdriver, etc., and to get to the front of the kayak where I need to change this. Another reason I'm changing the cigarette connection is when I'm getting set up before I go in the water, I've all connected. I power my fish finder up just to the main home page, and then I make my way to the water. And what I've found is, even on a sort of flat surface, when the kayak's on the trolley, the time I get to the water, the fish finders went off just because of the slightest movement in the cigarette connection. There's obviously a disruption in power and the power goes off, and then I've got to go through the whole process of powering up the fish finder when I'm at the water. So that's one of the other reasons I'm actually changing this setup. Plus, these cigarette connections, they don't last in salt water. As you can see, they're already corroded. A bit of the coating's coming off, and this is actually a new female connection. The other one started rusting inside as well, so another reason for the change. So guys, replace the connections and I'll show you it when it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the whole cigarette connection and put on spade connections, which will be in my sealed box. It's just a sandwich box, but it's sealed. And as you can see, I've already done the spade connections to this side of the adapter. So what I'm going to be doing next is replacing the male connection for two spade connections, plus putting in a spade fuse connection, which was much easier to change. I could do it on the water if need be as well. So yeah, that's the plan for this short video. And like I said guys, if you haven't seen the original video of why I chose this particular power pack, then please feel free to watch that video. Right, so the quick change of the connections have been done. Took me about 10 minutes or so. I've put the blade inline fuse connection on the red side, the positive side, and obviously the two spade clips on either side. The power pack's already in the box, and as you can see, the two spade clips on this side. I put a little grommet on this side where the connection runs through, makes it waterproof, and then it's as simple as connecting up to the spade connections. power on, and that's it. Like I say guys, the reason I've done this is for the few reasons. One, it would be really hard to change the fuse when on the water, when I can simply just use a spade fuse, and obviously this is waterproof as well. So that was a quick modification guys. I don't know if any of you actually are using what I'm using, but like I said, check out the video on the reason why I wanted to use this type of power pack. I've had this power pack for over a year now, and I've been on the water at sea for 14 hours. That's probably been my max trip, and I've come back and I've still had 2 bars on the power pack. Like I said, it has been over a year now, and the only downside with this power pack is, for some reason, it won't actually charge in the house. It won't charge through the USB, and it won't charge AC to 12 volt plug. It does, however, charge in the car. From about 2 bars left, if I'm going on a trip in the car, it charges in about 3 hours, which is really good. So yeah, an update on that is, obviously had it over a year now, it's working really well. The only downside is it's not charging in the house, which can be a bit of a pain, especially if I forget about it and I've not got the time to charge it in the car. If you like the video guys, give a thumbs up, and obviously if you want to see more and you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please consider subscribing. Stay safe guys, and see you next time.